Part 8 of our Indian Constitution, that is deals about the Union Territories, Article 239 to Article 242. So, administration of the Union Territories and creation of local legislatures, creation of local bodies, and special provisions to Delhi, etc. authorities, etc. articles deals and explained in this article. In these articles, let us discuss about these articles. Article 339 to 242. These are relating to the Union Territories. According to Article 239, Article 239 deals that administration of Union Territories. Administration of Union Territories. So, Union Territories adopted different kinds of administrative system. So, there is Lieutenant Governor and separate administrative system is availability in the Union Territories. So there is central influence in the Union Territories, most of the Union Territories. Article 239A, creation of local legislatures. Creation of local legislatures are council of ministers or both for the certain Union Territories. Creation of local legislatures and creation of ministries and creation of certain Union Territories, that is relating to Article 339A. So whatever possibility according to Constitution, they can create a state legislature, local legislature or council of ministries or both for the certain Union Territories, that is according to Article 339A. And Article 339A, Article 339A, special provisions with respect to Delhi. Special provisions. So, Delhi is the capital of our country. So, our capital city is having separate provisions that was detailed, explained in Article 339AA. Article 339AB. Article 339AB, provisions in case of constitutional machinery. Provision in case of constitutional machinery. So, constitutional machinery. What kind of constitutional machinery was adopted in Union Territories according to Constitution? So, that is explained in this article. Article 339AB. Article 339B, power of administrators to promulgate ordinances during the recess of the legislature. Article 239B, power of administration to promulgate ordinances during the recess of legislature. So, whatever Union Territory declared by the Government of India, that Union Territory, so some of the Union Territories having state legislature not in this session mode in this moment. So according to Constitution, lieutenant governors, they can issue ordinances, writs to function or convenient of the administrative purpose of the state. So that was explained in this Article 339B, power of administrator to promulgate ordinances during the recess of legislature. So without session, lieutenant governor can issue ordinances or writs to function of this local legislature. And Article 240, power of president to make regulations for certain Union Territories. Power of president to make certain regulations for Union Territories. Almost all the lieutenant governors are appointed by the President of India. So that was supervised, the Central Universities establishment that was supervised by the President of India. In this moment, our President of India is having authority to make separate regulations or resolutions or laws for the betterment of the Union Territories. In this moment, our President of India can make regulations for the development of the union territories for union territories. That is Article 240. Article 241. High courts for union territories. High courts for union territories. High courts for union territories. So Delhi is having separate high court. Delhi is having separate high court. So no union territory is having, was adopted, established high court, but Delhi High Court established according to Constitution. So whatever union territory, so union territory rules and regulations, union territory cases may be concerned to the some other states like Guwahati or Andaman, like Pondicherry, Chennai, etc. Union territory cases dealt by some other high courts. High courts for union territories. Creation of high courts and rules and regulations and high court provisions explained in this Article 241. Article 242, coordination, replaced by the Constitution 7th Amendment Act 1956, 29 and schedule. It was replaced in this Constitution.